Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for everyone over 50. Why should you embrace weight training as a key part of your fitness routine? If you're ready to feel stronger, healthier, and more vibrant than ever, stick around. So before I jump right into the why, I really want to share with you that weight training, strength training is my number one exercise go-to because it gives me the most bang for my buck, right? Exercise is a lot of work, right? So if you're going to be working hard, you should be doing something that's going to give you some really good results. And weight training has been amazing for my body composition and my weight management. So let's jump into the why you should be working out with strength training. The first reason you want to be weight training is to combat age-related muscle loss. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, a process known as sarcopenia. But here's the good news. Weight training is a powerful tool to combat this. By weight training, you can actually maintain and even build greater muscle mass, which is crucial to staying strong and independent as you get older. Number 2 reason, to boost your bone density. Weight training isn't just about muscles, it's about your bones too. Especially those of us dealing with changes in bone density during menopause or post-menopause. Strength training can help increase your bone density and reduce your chances of fractures. It's like giving your bones a workout, making them stronger and more resilient. In addition to building stronger bones, greater muscle mass also protects our joints. Many of us are experiencing joint pain because our muscles are not strong enough to support them. So your joints is taking all the pressure from the weight of your body. So weight training will help to improve your muscle mass and alleviate joint pain. Reason number 3, to enhance your metabolism. Did you know that muscle mass directly impacts your metabolism? The more muscle means a higher metabolic rate, which helps you to burn more calories even at rest. This is especially important as your metabolism tends to slow down with age. Weight training can help you keep your metabolism revved up, aiding in weight management. Reason number 4, improve balance and flexibility. Weight training also plays a role in improving your balance and your flexibility by strengthening the muscle that supports your joints. You can enhance your stability and reduce the risk of falls. Plus, incorporating weight training with flexibility exercises can keep you agile and mobile. Reason number 5, to boost your mental health and confidence. The mental health benefits of weight training can boost your mood, reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression, and improve your overall sense of well-being. Plus, as you see your strength and endurance improve, you'll likely notice a boost in your confidence, not to mention your change in your body composition. So there you have it, 5 compelling reasons to start weight training at 50 and beyond. It's not just about looking good. We'll take that, but it's also about feeling great and living your best quality of life. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And let us know in the comments below how weight training has impacted your life. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's never too late to start. See you next time.